Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see by the title of today's video, I am letting a random color generator pick the colors of my eyeshadow today. I'm really nervous. I hope it goes well. So if you want to come along this journey with me and see how it goes, then please stay tuned. But I'm going to type into Google. Should I screen record this and be all extra? I'm going to do it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do random color generator. Here we go. Okay. A random color, nothing more. I'm going to click on this one. Purple! Is that purple or blue? It's like... Okay, well, that's the first color. Okay, we're going to do 3 colors because I kind of want to do like an inner, outer, and then a lid color. So I'm going to press refresh. Brown! Oh my god, brown and purple. Okay, what else? Yellow! Oh my god! I'm actually kind of excited. I feel like I could really pop off with this. Okay, so let's get started. So it's purple, brown, and yellow. So let me figure out this color first because I don't think... No, it's actually more blue. Wow, okay. But I feel like I might have to go... Ooh, nope. Not gonna lie. That color kind of matches that one right there in the blue. Yeah, ooh. Okay, so that one right there... This one matches it pretty well. I don't know why I saw it more as purple. Maybe it's the lights or the brightness of my phone. So it's actually like blue, brown, and yellow. So let's do it. Okay, I'm just going to go in with the blue on the first portion and see where that goes. Because I'm definitely going to use that brown to kind of smoke out the outer edge. I'm thinking... I have never thought about blue and brown. So... This is definitely going to be interesting. I actually think it might look good, but ooh, what should I do for the yellow? And then I'm going to clean off whatever shadow is on this brush and just try to get off as much as I can. And then I'm going to mix the light blue and the white just to actually blend this color a little bit more. I don't think that's cheating. I just tweak a little bit to make it blend. Okay, so I'm just going to blend this out. Oh my god, guys. I can't believe I'm about to say this, but... Thank you for 36,000 followers on TikTok. Like, what the hell? Like, that was, oh my god. I need to do like a story time video about how that whole situation went down. Because when I tell you, this was not planned. This was 100% not planned. Was not trying to get like low-key TikTok famous at all. It was just like... such a surprise, and I'm so grateful. If you follow me and you're watching this from TikTok, or just all of you guys, all of you that support me, like I'm so appreciative, and you guys don't know how much it means to me. And Hachi, he was the main reason why I went viral on TikTok, but still, like, it's so crazy, so thank you. 2020 has definitely been off to a really good start. I feel like I'm just so much more open to learning this year. I'm so much more open to just bettering myself in a way that I never have ever thought about it ever in my entire life. Like, in the sense of, you know, just trying to not be so prideful with the knowledge I already have and not, you know, not think that like, oh, I don't need to learn anything new. Like, I'm going into this year fully just like, let me be so much open-minded. Let me just allow so much more knowledge to come at me. And if I'm learning new things, then, like, it just feels good. It feels really good to just work on myself this year. I just turned 20 in December, if you didn't know. So I'm definitely trying to grow up a little bit, just trying to learn things about life that I definitely did not focus on before, you know, back when I was a teenager, back when I was going to college and going to high school. So it's just different, but I actually really like it, and I'm enjoying how life is treating me right now. And I hope you guys are too. Probably the biggest thing on social media this year that I want to make differently is enforce how much motivation and positivity I want to be able to give other people. I feel like that's one of the biggest things I love on social media is to see people be positive and uplift others and motivate others and stuff like that. So if anything is going to be changing in my content this year, notice all the love and motivation and positivity, because I don't want to do anything else than to just help myself and help you guys be the best version of yourselves. So as cheesy as that sounds, that's honestly just coming from my heart. Okay, so I need to go to the brown now. So I'm going to see... Okay, so it was actually a really dark It is a cool tone brown, I would say. But either way, I feel like it's brown. I'm going to go with brown anyway. And I think I'm going to go in with... I think I'm going to go in with that main pan in the middle right here. The brown right there. And just start blending that on the outer edge. And then maybe mix it with a little bit of this darker brown. I'm doing such a bad job of showing you guys. Okay, I'll just point at it. I think I'm going to go in with this brown right here and then maybe mix a little bit of this brown in here just to actually like deepen it and make it look better, if that makes sense. And then I'm just going to start by pressing and depositing that color on my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to pick up this brush. This is the JS8, which is a lot fluffier. This one's probably the fluffiest brush of the collection. And I'm just going to blend out the edges right now. There's literally no product on it. I might pick up a little bit of white from the James palette, but I'm just going to start blending up here on the edges and try to make it look as blended out as possible. Okay, I'm going to switch back over to the JS6, which is the smaller brush I use to pack on the brown. And I'm going to go into this darkest brown in the palette. I don't know if that's, yeah, that's the darkest brown in the palette. And I'm just going to go in very lightly just to further deepen the outer edge here. So I'm going to take some more of my Plouise base and I'm going to just say screw it, and I'm going to cut my crease and I'm going to pack on yellow all over my crease, and we're just gonna see how it goes. I'm a little nervous, but you know, we're just having fun. Okay. Okay, taking the yellow from the James palette, I'm just gonna start packing this all over. Oh my god, is it gonna turn green? It's gonna turn green. It's gonna turn green. What does this remind me of, Dory? This reminds me of Dory from Finding Nemo. Dory inspired eyes. Okay. Guys, I'm going in with white now just to see if I could just brighten this because it is so dark. Okay, so mixing a little bit of white definitely helped. I'm kind of in a little bit of a panic right now, so I'm gonna go just try to tweak this, fix the little bit of base that got up on the blue, blend a little bit of the yellow a little bit more, and then just blend out the outer edge with the brown, and then I'll be back to update you guys if I can fix this and make it look better. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I blended as much as I could and tried to make it look as good as possible. I don't think it's completely horrendous, but I do think it needs a little bit of something just to make it kind of pop. Definitely like inner corner and brow bone highlight for sure, but I found this NYX Vivid Brights liner, which I think would be really cute if I just like lined the cut crease really quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this liner and I'm going to line the cut crease. Oh my god, I need both my elbows on the table for this. So I think the yellow line made it a little bit better. I'm gonna go do both eyes off of camera, add some liner and lashes, and just kind of tweak a few things, add some inner corner highlight and stuff like that, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Okay, so this is the final look, guys. I feel like I like it. It's definitely different for me. I don't see myself doing the same exact color combo again for some reason. I feel like it's just the color story on me personally doesn't look the best, but I don't think it looks the worst. But overall, I feel like the biggest thing is I had a lot of fun just actually playing with makeup and kind of challenging myself, which is part of the reason why I really wanted to do this challenge. I feel like it's really fun, and I'm honestly open to doing this challenge again if this is something that you guys enjoyed. I would love to do more random color generators or other makeup challenges. If you guys have any other ideas or videos that you want to request from me, you can either send me a DM on Instagram or comment down below on this video. If you guys enjoyed this YouTube video, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Also follow my Instagram and my TikTok. I'm going to put both up on the screen somewhere so you can follow me. I am on TikTok. I wanted to say thank you once again for 36,000 followers on TikTok. You guys don't know how much this means to me. It's just crazy to even say. Like, I would have never expected in a million years to say that I have 36,000 followers on any platform. But yeah, so thank you guys so much. I feel so happy and blessed to have you guys in my life. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this YouTube video, and if you got a little bit more time, feel free to check out my next YouTube video right here. Thank you guys so much once again, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.